Hello YouTube, how are you? So we're here at the croft. It's a lovely Sunday, it's a lovely day today. Oh, what a good day to be alive. Look at this, look. You won't be able to see me, but just look at the views right now. It's what, midday now? Pretty much, might as well say midday. Sun's beaming down, so you can just imagine when we live here. I'm at the house site right now if you're new here. That's all the rubble and kind of looking a bit bare. That's gonna be a divider wall, Mr. Studio, then house on this side. And yeah, just lots of fun to be had. So we're just waiting now just for the waters to kind of, the Scottish water to come down and verify a few things, and then we're all guns blazing. But the reason why I'm here today, it's a different kind of vlog, just a little track update. The track is pretty much almost done for them to be able to do the foundations and stuff. It's so wide, obviously it's big enough for lorries to come down, so I hate to see the bill. But yeah, so I'm kind of here now, and by the time I've posted this, I would have already been to where I've gone. So I promised that I'll do some more gardening vlogs because I am a gardener. I've been gardening for 15, almost 16 years in April the 2nd. I buy myself a plant every year. Secateurs, secateurs are here, but I didn't realise. I feel naked without them. Felcos, might get a tattoo. So yeah, so I'm going to different gardens if you see here. So I'm just going to interview the different gardens I used to do because I miss them. I spent all this time kind of crafting them and making them adapt and kind of giving some ideas and kind of just seeing what's developing, what's not working and stuff. It saddens me that I'm not, it's just rock. It just saddens me that I've done all this, put all this work in, and I haven't seen kind of the results yet. So I know it's kind of a bit premature. It's a bit early, it's early spring. It's not really, it's late winter. It's not really spring yet, but it's nice to kind of see winter gems because everyone needs a winter gem. I'm always big on the winter flowers and stuff because now the time it's dark, it's bleak, like you're not getting as much vitamin D. It's kind of depressing. A lot of people tend to kind of feel sad around these times, and don't get me wrong, I get that same blues as well. Like I come from being outside and having like sun inundated on me just to the point where I'm just like oozing vitamin D. Like I'm just like I feel like a sun myself. I'm just glowing, whereas now I'm like wrapped up and my face is out, but I can actually feel the heat today, which is surprising. So spring is around the corner, I'd like to think. I feel like we've got 3-4 months here anyway. But, so yes, I'm going to people's gardens, you'll see here, and I'm giving an interview, and I'm on a quest. Yeah, I know I've been talking in the last few vlogs. If you know about cuttings, click the top right of the screen, and you'll see, or we talk about cuttings and stuff. So basically, I'm going to London to interview these gardens, and I know some of them have some plants that I could use on the croft. So I'm going to get some cuttings off them, and then show how I can propagate them and bring them back, and then we're going to plant them up in my tyres. I've created this little patch where I've got tyres, and I've explained that I don't use tyres just to plant things, and then after they've done, I've got nothing to plant, and then I just chuck them away. I don't want to use them on the croft because they just flake away and all that kind of stuff. So my goal is to get the windbreak up and ready by 2023, well, in certain areas, but it's definitely doable. If I put my time and effort, I can definitely do it. So yeah, so thanks for sticking with me. If you're new here, then consider subscribing to see how things develop. We've got ducks here, guinea fowl, chickens, and you get to see the old ruin there because it's full of rubbish at the moment. I'm going to turn that into it's been turned into, by the time you've seen this, it would have been turned into because it's flopped down now, isn't it? You've got to keep your birds in. So keeping all the birds in, and they're going to be pooing and peeing everywhere, or the ducks I should say. Chickens are in there in a separate spot, so the ducks will be in there and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, but like I said, my main aim now, I've got an ADHD brain, and I'm sure people can relate here, is that you kind of want to jump to different ideas all the bloody time, but I'm telling myself to hone it in. It's easy for me to go and drift off and go and get distracted, but my main focus right now, like I said, I'm spitting with passion right now, it's cuttings, windbreak. If I don't get a windbreak in, I won't be able to grow things properly. I can grow things, but they'll be windswept all the time. And up here, I told you before, this place is windy. Click the links, you'll see what I'm talking about. So yes, thanks for sticking with me. And like I said, if you're new here, consider subscribing. And remember, guys, it's not much just my agenda, it's your too. Have a lovely day, honestly. Get outside if you can, and rain in, rain or shine. Just appreciate the beauty of nature. Touch up all the green stuff, roll around in it, you name it. Do what you see your dog does in the field if you've got a dog. So love you long time, and hope to see you soon.